Hello to all my friends out there. So I want to show you my newest cleaning discovery. Probably everyone knows about this except for me, but now, okay, so that's just a little container, a little yogurt container. And I have some dish soap. So it's 1/2 dish soap. I got it 99 cents. And 1/2 vinegar. And so, if you've never tried it like I had, and you might be going, well, how can that get anything clean? Well, you guys, it gets your stuff really clean. So what I do is I've been just like dipping my sponge, and then, you just put it on your countertops. And I swear, I think my kitchen is cleaner. But, oh, you're just saying that. No, I do a lot of greasy cooking. So, okay, you leave it on there a minute. And then I learned one other thing. You know what I was doing while I was doing the feng shui? I was watching videos on cleaning. So this is how you wipe it up. I never heard of this in my life. It kind of makes sense though. So I'm going like in an S pattern. Yes, I learned this on YouTube. I never knew this. And I have something else to show you in 1 minute. This is what I usually do. But when you do it the other way first, it really helps. Okay, so now my counter is nice and clean. Okay, so I'm selling trinkets. So look what I bought. Now, I had never heard of these. I was a workaholic. So, I bought myself a Brabanti Tia bread box. And what do I have in my bread box? A roach motel. The roaches check in, they don't check out. Trust no man. One can never be too careful. If I was to get cucarachas in my house with all the what I have in here, trust no man. Okay, you guys, God bless you all.